How to browse and purchase audiobooks on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can browse and purchase audiobooks on Audible. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to ensure that you've downloaded the Audible application on your device and then you've signed in into your account. And then once you're signed in, the next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see icons such as home, library, discover, profile. Then click on the discover tab. By clicking on discover, you'll be taken to the page where you can go ahead and browse out different kinds of audiobooks. So once you're on this book, locate the book that you like. Once you're on this page, locate the book that you like, or you can click on the top right corner here, click on the search icon and then type out the name of the book that you like. And so when you find the book that you like, tap on it and then you'll be taken to the details page. On this page, you'll see different options. So go ahead and choose the purchase option, all right, such as buy for so amount. You can see add to wish list, and also if you've signed up as a member, you can be able to buy a book as a member. So go ahead, select the payment option that's your desire. Then you'll be taken to another page where you see a number of prompts. Follow the prompts to confirm your purchase, and then just like that, the book will be purchased. And then your purchased audiobooks will be available in your library, which is located next to discover at the lowest part of the screen. Here you see all of your purchased audiobooks, and then you can download and listen to them anytime, anywhere. So this is how you can browse and purchase audiobooks on Audible. Thank you for watching and have a good day. How to buy audiobooks with credit. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can buy audiobooks with credit. So let's go along. The first step is to log in into your audiobook account, just like I have done here. You can decide to use the website or the application to sign in. And then once you're signed in, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see four icons such as home, library, discover, profile. Then click on the library option and then click on discover option. By clicking on the discover tab, you'll be taken to the page where you would see the books that you like. All right, you can decide to search out the books that you like by scrolling on the books available, or if you know the name of the book that you're looking for, just click on the search box here and type out the name of the book. But when you find the book that you like, just go ahead and select the book. Now, by selecting the book, you will brought to the book details page. On this page, you see the different options for you to purchase the book. So the different options available include buy with one credit, buy for so amount, then add to wish list. So if you want to use credits to purchase this book, just click on buy with one credit, and then if you're sure, confirm your purchase, and then the book would be added to your library. So click on view in library, and then you can go ahead and download this book and read them even in your library. So this is it. This is how easy it is for you to buy audiobooks with credits. So thank you for watching and download as many books as you need or want today. Have a nice day.